I'm coming.
Medical.
Look at this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
3000 Augusta.
Fucking nothing.
110. Justice Terrace. Prudence 12. 3000 Augusta. Number 110. Justice Terrace.
Here they are. Of course they're just standing around, huh? Is that Magana?
What?
Not you. I'm not talking to you. No. It is.
It is, game.
Wow. You can't search me now, huh, dickhead? Can't retaliate this time, right, huh?
Have a good night, game.
This guy's back at it in uniform. Still a scumbag. Scumbag. I can't believe they let you put that shit back on, dude.
X-ray 3620 25.
Correctional plate of being 5 Charles Queen Henry.
Magana's a scumbag! He's everything wrong with policing. That's Officer Marcelo Magana. Horrible cop.
10-4, 5 Charles Queen Henry 435 comes back clear and current. On a 2004 Jeep utility, must have took pile out of Oxnard.
And anyone that has his back is a scumbag too.
All right, Gabriel. When my partner gets here, I'm going to search you because you have probation search. So. All right, Gabriel. I'm going to do a probation search. Put your camera down right here.
Look at this guy retaliating.
Not retaliating. You're following me. You're not going to walk behind me. I don't know what you have on.
Do you think that?
Huh?
Do you think? Butthurt ass cop. That's all you are, Magana.
Yeah. Yeah.
Just a
Yeah.
You're just a bitch. To the badge. You ain't scaring nobody, man. I'll see you on the next one. Punk. I'll see you on the next one. You can search me later too if you want. Punk ass bitch. You give officers a bad name, Magana. You give them all a bad name. This is what a butthurt cop looks like right here, Magana. Everyone take note.